On Ubuntu 23.04, using the expected command line command to install Telegram actually installed a snap package instead. But even that option seems to have been removed now. If you don't want to use a snap, you can install a personal package archive or PPA and install Telegram from a DEB file using the apt command. Sometimes PPAs gets abandoned by their maintainers, and you can inadvertently install old versions of software. That doesn't seem to be the case here. To install the PPA, use this command. We need to refresh our software lists so that the software available in that PPA is available to the apt command. Now we can issue the command to install the Telegram desktop client. Press the super key on your keyboard. Usually, this is the one between the left-hand control and alt keys. In the GNOME search bar, start to type Telegram, and you'll see the Telegram icon appear. Click the icon to launch Telegram. If you right-click it, you can select Add to Favorites or Pin to Dash to have Telegram added to your dock. When Telegram launches, you can connect to your existing Telegram account. You need to install it and set it up on your cell phone first if you don't already have a Telegram account. Click the blue Start Messaging button to begin. To install Telegram on Fedora as a regular RPM installation, first enable the RPM Fusion community-maintained repositories on your system. There's a free and a non-free repository. We need to enable them both. Now we can use DNF to install the desktop client. Installing the Telegram desktop on Manjaro and other Arch-based distributions is as simple as issuing any other POMAC command.
You got to let it go. 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 I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready. You got to let it go.
You can install a snap version of Telegram on the command line of any distribution that has the snapd package installed, including Ubuntu. The command is straightforward. We can use the Snap Info option to look at the details of the installed software. Here we find the version number. The publisher of the snap is Telegram itself. Not surprisingly, as this snap is maintained by Telegram, it contained the latest version of their desktop client. If you'd prefer to use Flatpak instead of a native install or a snap, Telegram has you covered for that too. That is, as long as you have the Flatpak system installed. To install the Flatpak version of the Telegraph desktop client, use this command. As with the Snap version, the Flatpak contained the current latest version of Telegram. The final option you have is to download and install a distribution agnostic binary. You can get it from the Telegram site by clicking the big blue Get Telegram for Linux x64.
You got to let it go.
Change into the directory you downloaded the file to. If you've kept your browser's defaults, this will usually be your downloads directory. Check what the file name is. The numbers are the version number of the Telegram desktop client. The file is a compressed archive file, so we'll need to unpack it. We can do this with the tar command. Make sure you use the correct file name for your download. Now that we've extracted the contents of the downloaded archive, we need to move them to the /opt directory. We'll create a new directory called Telegram inside the /opt directory and put the extracted files in there. Now we'll create a link that points from the downloaded files to /usr/bin/telegram, so that we can start the Telegram client by using the command telegram from a terminal window. Let's try it out. The Telegram desktop client starts, and its icon appears in the dock. Right-click the icon and select Pin to Dash to always have the icon in your dock so that you can launch it with a single click.